Once upon a time, there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He flew here and there in search of water. At last he saw a water pot near a well. He looked inside the pot. There were very little water in the pot. The crow saw some stones nearby. He thought of a plan. He picked up some stones. He put one by one into the pot. The water level in the pot came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Moral of the story: where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe for more videos.